Alright everybody, I'm back with a new short video. I know it's been a while since I've posted anything on the channel. I've been working harder than a fat guy suspenders in the heat. It's been bad. But I do have something really big planned for my Charger RT. Hopefully with the parts coming in the next few days I can get that on there and let you see something that's going to be really awesome. It's going to make this car really stand out. So I'm in the truck today. I got the Charger at the house. So been working all day. I can't even give you a cold start, but I can at least give you a couple of in-cab revs. So here we go. Give you one more with the RPM gauge flipped around so you can see what's going to. Compare the RPM gauge with the sound. So here's that. Alrighty, so I want to go ahead and cut this short, post this thing up. Hopefully you like what's coming soon, and I will catch y'all later.